In today's video, I bring you a perfect trading strategy for the 5-minute time frame in cryptocurrencies. The strategy I am talking about uses indicators such as the Money Flow Index, MFI, and the MTF EMA. In my case, I'm going to be testing the strategy on the 5-minute Bitcoin chart. The first thing we will have to do is select the Money Flow Index. We will put this indicator with the parameters that come by default, and we will change the color of the line to white. The second indicator that we will use will be the MTF EMA, which is a moving average adjusted to different time frames. We will put this indicator in 1 hour, and we will put an EMA of 55 periods. We will also change the color of the line to white, and we will increase the thickness. What the indicator will do is show us the EMA of 55 periods of the 1-hour chart, but on our 5-minute chart. The rules for making a buy trade are simple. Firstly, the price must be above the EMA of 55 periods, and secondly, the money flow index must enter and then leave its oversold zone, that is, it must enter and lead 20. Once the buy operation, we will put our stop loss below the last low, and our take profit in a ratio of 2 to 1, that is, twice our stop loss. In the case of wanting to carry out a sell operation, firstly, the price must be below the EMA of 55 periods, and secondly, the money flow index must enter and then leave its overbought zone, that is, it must enter and exit 80. Once the sell operation has been carried out, we will place our stop loss above the last high and our take profit in a ratio of 2 to 1, that is, twice our stop loss. Now, let's look at some more examples. And ready? I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.